This practice is a lovely Qigong healing meditation for opening the heart and calming the mind. And it's based on, well, I've actually taken it from the Inner Smile meditation, which I taught you all in a previous live class. But you'll see a link to that somewhere next to this video when you rewatch it, if you want to do the whole of the Inner Smile meditation. But this is just more focusing around the heart area. So get yourself comfortable, either sitting, standing, or you can actually do this practice lying down when you go into bed at night, especially if you have problems with sleeping. It's a really nice one to help you get off to sleep at night, to listen to this. So beginning in whichever comfortable position you were in, either sitting, standing, or lying down, and close the eyes for a moment. In fact, keep the eyes closed for the whole of this practice, because all you need to do is listen to my voice. So you're not moving your body for this meditation. The only movement is the movement of your breath. So closing the mouth, tongue resting against the roof of the mouth, and tip of the tongue resting against the back of the upper teeth. Breathing in and out through the nose. As you breathe in, feel your belly expand into the abdomen. So working with our abdominal breath. And that expansion is forwards, but also sideways, backwards, in towards the kidney area, up and down as well. So having this idea of a 3D expansion in all directions. And then as you breathe out, you have that 3D shrinkage as well. So almost like you're blowing up a balloon and then deflating it with the breath. So settling into your practice now. And just for a moment now, part your lips, open your mouth slightly, and just wiggle your jaw from side to side, just to release any tension that you might be holding in the jaw muscles. Maybe opening and closing the mouth. Just checking that the jaw is nice and loose and relaxed. And then closing the mouth again. And then bring your awareness and your mind to your lips. Think about the outsides of your lips. And then take your mind to the insides of your lips, to your teeth, to the insides of your cheeks, to the roof of your mouth. Bring your mind now to your tongue. You may want to move the tongue around inside your mouth just to, again, check that you're not holding any tension in your tongue. Once you feel it's nice and relaxed, allow it just to come back to rest gently against the roof of your mouth. Bring your mind now to the outsides of the corners of your mouth, where your upper and your lower lips join. And allow a smile to come to the corners of your mouth. Not a smile from the outside, where you're forcing your facial muscles to smile, but just allow this smile to come from the inside as you're breathing. And if you feel that that smile's not coming, then think of something that makes you smile on the inside. So that could be being in a favorite place, going for a favorite walk, playing with your pets or your children or your grandchildren, doing your favorite hobby, spending time with friends, something you love to do, something that brings you joy. Feel into that feeling, put yourself in that place, and notice whether that lovely smile comes through to the corners of your mouth. And now keeping that lovely smile there, allowing it, and imagine it's just radiating from the inside constantly, like a shining bright light, lighting up your face. Now think about your eyes. Bring your mind to your eyes, and specifically the corners of your eyes, the outside corners. And in your mind's eye now, what I'd like you to do is move that lovely smile on your lips and spread it all the way up the sides of your face, up to the outside corners of your eyes. And in your mind's eye, think of the outsides of your eyes turning upwards, curling upwards to make a smile as well. So the eyes are smiling, the mouth is smiling, the whole face is smiling. Now physically, you may not actually feel that in your eyes, but that's not so important. It's having this idea of the whole face smiling, creating this smile from the inside. And with this inner smile now, we're going to move it and spread it to the heart. So thinking of that lovely smile, the warmth, the light, the brightness, whatever color it may bring you, whatever that is for you, and moving that lovely sensation down into the chest, into the heart. Thinking of your heart relaxing and receiving this lovely smiling energy or chi. The heart opening up, the chest feeling much more relaxed. And see that smile and that lovely chi energy, not just around the surface of the heart, but going into the inside of the heart, into all the chambers of the heart, into the blood that's filling your heart. And that lovely smiling, healing chi going into the blood is then going to be pumped out from your heart and carried around the rest of your body. So in your mind's eye, see the blood leaving your heart, carrying that lovely smile all the way around your body, knowing that that's going to nourish, heal, and energize your muscles, your bones, your tendons, all the other organs of your body. And just seeing that smile radiating from the heart throughout the whole body. Now, for some of you who maybe find that kind of difficult to visualize, if you're not practiced at visualization, please don't be concerned. Just have the idea that that's what's happening, and where your mind goes, the chi will follow. So if you don't feel anything, that doesn't matter. Just maintain this lovely, smooth abdominal breath and the intention that you're spreading an inner smile and healing energy from your open heart around the rest of your body. The more you practice this, the easier this will probably come to you. And now letting go of that idea and bring your mind back to your abdominal breath. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose, feeling the rise and fall of your abdomen. Placing one hand flat on the lower belly, keeping the eyes closed, the other hand directly on top of that. And then just giving your belly a little rub by circling in one direction and then in the other to consolidate your practice. Bringing the hands together in front of you, rubbing them until they get really, really hot. Keep the eyes closed. And then when your palms are nice and warm, place one hand over each eye, fingers facing up towards the ceiling. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Feeling the lovely heat from your hands passing through your eyes into the mind to nourish, calm, and heal your mind. When you feel that heat dissipate, then gently giving your face a little rub, a little massage to bring yourself back into the room and slowly opening your eyes as you do that.